Hi, this is John with WTI. And with one of my favorite options for whenever I'm having my meals or whenever I'm going out with my friends, this is where the Sanpellegrino Aranciata sparkling water with orange juice. And I'm gonna tell you what I like the most about this. First of all, it's all about the convenience. You take a pack of these guys, you put them in a nice place, gets it cold after or while you're having a meal, you stay straight. And the whole sensation, as this is not so high in sugar, and you can actually feel the taste of the orange juice and the sparkling water. It's like two of the best things at the same time. You can like rest easy, the sensation and the flavor in here is just top notch. Like I would get this, and this is like my treat. Every time I'll do something right, I would like to get or have a treat of this aranciata. And the taste of the orange juice doesn't feel like super hard. It's like the perfect mix of sparkling water and the amount of juice. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.